Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amer TV. So, ang itatackle natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-apply ng loan sa PS Bank. Okay, so mas pinadali na lang talaga guys kasi within 3 days, so malalaman natin yung ating loan is na-approve or wala. Compare sa other banks na 5 banking days bago natin malaman if na-approve tayo or hindi. Okay, so first i-open natin itong Chrome. And then, puntahan natin yung website nila. So, ito yung website. Ilalagay ko lang yung link sa description below. So, ito yun siya guys. So, Flexi Personal Loan Application. So, ayan. You get a decision within 3 days. So, malalaman natin within 3 days kung approve tayo or hindi. Then, note this online facility accepts personal loan application from Philippine residents only. So, kung nakatira ka sa Pilipinas or resident ka ng Philippines, so qualified ka mag-apply ng Flexi Personal Loan. Okay? So, dito tayo ngayon sa baba. Meron ditong loan information. So, loan purpose. So, ngayon, isi-select natin kung saan natin gagamitin yung ating loan. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa setup business. So, kung saan nyo gagamitin yung loan nyo guys, so pwede nyo i-select dito. So, let's say setup business. So, magkano yung kailangan natin? So, let's say 100,000. Ayan. So, borrower's personal information. So, yung first name natin. And then, last name natin. So, yung middle name, that is optional. So, pwedeng lagyan, pwedeng hindi. Ayan. So, birth date. Ayan. Okay, so yung birth date natin. Ayan. So, meron ditong note. To qualify for a PS Bank Flexi Personal Loan with prime rebate, you must be 22 to 54 years old. Ayan. Then, civil status natin. Gender. Then, yung home address natin. So, kailangan yung unit number. Then, street natin. So, let's say Makati tayo. Ayan. So, this is sample only guys. So, ang lalagay nyo dito is yung home address nyo. Ayan. Then, length of stay. So, ilang years na tayo nagkatira doon. So, let's say 5 years. Then, home ownership. So, yung tinitira natin kanino ba? Kung rented, dito tayo sa rented. Kung own, dito tayo sa own. Kung mortgage, ayan. So, let's say own. Atin yung tinitirahan natin. So, ngayon, dito tayo sa educational attainment. So, let's say ang natapos natin is college. So, select natin yan college. Identification references. So, kung ano yung ID yung gagamitin natin. So, let's say passport. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin ngayon yung passport number, guys. Which is makikita yan dun sa ating passport. Ayan. Okay. Then, expiry date. Kung kailan siya may expire. Ayan. Okay, so next dito tayo sa baba. So, let's say mobile. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin yung active mobile number natin. Ayan. Then, active email address. Ayan. Okay, so next is yung employment. So, let's say yung pinagkukunan natin ng ating salary is yung ating trabaho. So, employment type. So, saan tayo na-hire? So, dito tayo sa private. Then, employer name. So, sino yung boss natin? Ayan. Then, job title or position. Kung ano yung position natin sa company. So, let's say IT support. Then, employment tenure. So, ilang years na tayo nag-work doon. So, let's say 5 years. Or 3 years lang nilagay natin. To qualify for a loan, the minimum tenure should be 2 years. So, kailangan naka 2 years ka doon sa trabaho na yon or sa company na yon. So, monthly income. So, let's say 20,000 per month. So, yung number ng ating opisina. Okay. Then unit number. So, ilalagay natin yung unit number ng ating opisina. Street. San Isidro. Ayan. Then, dito, may katanungan dito, credit card. Select natin yung city, others. So, may katanungan dito, guys. Makati City. Ayan. Lagyan natin itong city ng Makati City. So, San Isidro. Ayan. So, hanapin lang natin dito. Ayan, Makati City. Then, dito tayo sa credit card details. So, yung credit card holder. So, kung wala tayong credit card, so no lang. Ayan. Then, punta tayo dito sa baba. Then, select lang natin itong agree. Then, itatype natin ito. Ayan. TXBG. Okay, so proceed lang. Proceed lang tayo, guys. Okay, so lagyan natin ng city. So, Makati City. Ayan, Metro Manila. So, continue tayo ulit. Okay, so ayan na yung information natin. So, i-review natin, guys. Ayan. So, i-review natin. Then, submit natin, guys. Okay, so your loan application has been successfully submitted. Your application number will be sent through your email. Thank you for choosing PS Bank Flexi Personal Loan with Prime Rebate. Ayan. So, nasend na yung application number natin, guys, dun sa ating email. I-check natin. So, ayan. Okay, so, wait lang natin. Okay, so, ayan na. Thank you for choosing PS Bank Flexi Personal with Prime Rebate. Below are the details of your application. Okay, so, ayan. Your application has been forwarded to PS Bank Business Center Sales for processing. A PS Bank representative will get in touch with you should be need more information. Will receive an SMS your provided mobile number for the status of your application. Okay, so wait lang natin yung SMS na manggagaling sa kanila kung na-approve ba yung ating loan or wala. So malalaman natin yan within 3 days lang. So mas pinadali na lang talaga, guys. So, ganun lang. Wait lang natin, guys. Kasi magti-text din si PS Bank kung approve tayo or hindi. So, ganun lang kadali mag-loan sa PS Bank, guys. So, again, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And wassalam.